Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Collect ingredients and equipment. Use 1 quart whole milk and 2 tablespoons active starter culture, 1 quart glass jar, a thermometer, and a small whisk. Sanitize 1 quart glass jar and utensils before starting. This prevents contamination and off flavors. Heat milk gently, stirring to avoid a skin until it reads 180 degrees F. Hold briefly to denature proteins for thicker texture. Cool the milk to 110 degrees F on a counter or in an ice bath. This prepares the milk for safe inoculation with the starter culture. Begin by heating milk to 180 degrees F, then cool to 110 degrees F. Heat and cool control texture and safety. Stir in 2 tablespoons, starter gently and mix for even distribution, using a whisk for 30 seconds to incorporate live cultures evenly. Pour the inoculated milk into the sanitized jar, seal lightly, and place in an incubator or warm spot that maintains 110 degrees F. Incubate at 110 degrees F for 6 to 12 hours until it reaches your preferred tartness. If yogurt is runny, strain for 1 to 2 hours through cheesecloth or a fine sieve to thicken to Greek-style consistency. This concentrates solids and improves texture. Use 3.5% whole milk for creamier texture and better mouthfeel, or blend in powdered milk at 2 tablespoons per quart to boost solids if needed. Refrigerate yogurt at 40 degrees F and consume within 2 weeks, storing covered. If overly tart, shorten incubation next time to under 8 hours or temper with honey or fruit before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.